हम देखेंगे। तीन और फायदा फैलाए बुमागरा मदर किशोर मानिक बहादुर त्रिपुरा मथानी चेयरमैन बन बलाई हमारो त्रिपुरा मथानी प्रेसिडेंट चिनकरा बिकरांखल एडिशनल चेयरमैन चिनी दादा चिनी फैमाल गोबां मानसिनि नेता आं बुंसालिया आंनि बन्धु चिन अनिमेश डेपुटी सीएम चिन एमएलए जतन दंगो चिन और बैला आनि सिक्ला आनि सावक्रा आनि पेतराय आनि सारबाक्सा बन पहिला हामबाय मारो आंखिनि बेलायखौ दंथंजाक आंखिनि अमन वानसाखौ हररो आजो आं सामोंख्लाय थैनाय तागलाय आं खुसियाखौ आं थागाखा आं सारा विश्व बिथिं बुरिखा आं प्राय 12टा कान्ट्रि आं बुरिनायखा मणिपुरा आं दिनै मन्त्रिखा ताबोसो दिनै थानसांखा मणिपुराव आं इमान करे थैफानो आं गार एसेनो थैफानो आने आपका शांति मने आं खागाव तामनिके आं मुइतमानो 2009 समरे फाइलेखा आपरो जों एक्शन काया मात्र 70 जन 2009 जों चिनामो हरमन गायसेनो जों हास्ते कदाल खाइ मारनाय स्टेट हुड खाइ मारनाय जों किब्रा फिराव थांगांलाय जों लामा न'आव जों बेंगायो लामा हिंगागे जों नाय बरक थाब थाख्लायो आं बले लाचु आनि विश्वास दङ आनि बयदो दङ सालगले सालसा ओ आनो बेंगायनाय र आनो नायस्लिनाय र बिसेस किसनि कजा खायनाय र सिदम खायनाय र बर बहाय न ईश्वर बर न हामारनाय तेबर तिब्लानो मासांनाय आं देवान सम्मानि तिनिनो पुरानो खें खागाव बने बागै आं दिनै हबं बुइदों माया आं दिनै 3टा बासाव 3टा बासाङै आं रेल स्टेशनाव थाङो आं माइमाव फैया जों खोनाखा दिनै सिख्ला र दिनै जवान र बलायखौ दुखु माखा लामा र कना कमालायखा आंथ' खबर नाय दङ माइ गाहामखौ मा जाया मा थुया जाय रक दङ दिनै सिख्ला रक दङ बोला बेलाय बिरमान माखा आं खोनावो आं दिनाव दङ गर मन्त्रिङै बिया बिरुङाव दङ गिदान बखागो आनि सान्दिगरै खवाइनि बरक आनि एलाकानि बरक आना बुमखायसाव हदि बरक सारा आनि बेहला बरनि जिनज्राय मासा कमावै थांगा निकेसे नायगिरा देनानै साव बहक बरक पारा काबजाक बन बहि बसा काबजाक ताको बह काबजाक पिया बातिनि आसे तिनि सिख्ला रक बुहा कुवार बुहा केराक हारि बांदो फारि बागै जों दुखुनो दुखु होया कस्तनो कस्त होयाखौनो फैले जाऊ बायो बेखनाव दिल्ली बासियों आप लोग मालूम है त्रिपुरा राज्य बॉर्डर में है, बांग्लादेश के बीच में है। हम लोग का इतिहास, हम लोग गोल्डन हिस्ट्री दूसरे से अलग है। हम लोग त्रिपुरावासी इंडिजिनस पीपल, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है। ब्रिटिश रूल, ब्रिटिश कैनॉट ऑक्युपाई त्रिपुरा ऑल ओवर द स्टेट। ब्रिटिश ने राज किया है एक्सेप्ट त्रिपुरा। त्रिपुरा ब्रिटिश के अंदर में नहीं है, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है, प्रिंस की स्टेट है। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है हम लोग का, आफ्टर मदर वुड इंडियन यूनियन 1949 हम लोग का भविष्य, हम लोग का फ्यूचर आस्ते आस्ते बिगड़ रहा है। हम लोग एक दोष है, एक मिस्टेक है, हम लोग इंडिया का साथ मार्च किया है। After merger with Indian Union, everything, before knowing everything, first of all, आप लोग त्रिपुरा का इतिहास you not know anything about our aspiration. Our history is a golden history. In whole of the world, when I have given speech in Geneva, when I have given speech in Germany, the same word I have uttered. Tripura is the longest kingdom in the world, second to Japan. 114, more than 5,000 years, is ruled by, occupied by indigenous people of Tripura. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We have a living history at present with us. Our beloved Bhuvagira Maharaj is a living history. This history has to go on. As history says, history repeats itself. Now our history is repeating day by day. Our history is repeating. It is a fact, it's true, that our history, golden history, would repeat again. We shall look together with strong mentality, with determination, with zeal, courageous. We should not ashamed. We should feel shy to announce, to pronounce our dignity, our kingdom, our dynasty. In all over the world, not only India, our history, our glorious history. But unfortunately, after independence, after merger with Indian Union, the government of India and government of Tripura did not recognize, did not give due importance to our history. This is very unfortunate. Our history is not given importance. Our kingdom is not given importance. Our contribution of the royal family is not given importance. There's a reason behind why we are not happy with the state government. Because our culture, our tradition, our language, our land is not given importance. And what did that? To a second-class citizen of India. There's a main reason behind why our people, our indigenous people of Tripura, are fighting for their survival. We have crisis of identity. We have crisis of our politics. We have crisis of our economy. We have crisis of our land. We have crisis of our culture. You have seen such a beautiful dance. Our tradition, our culture is so high, so rich. But we are not giving due importance. This is the main pain economy of the big question we ask, why our glorious culture, glorious history is not given importance by the government of India, by the government of Tripura. This is the main reason behind. From 2009, we're compelled to raise our voice, to raise our demand to create statehood, separate state within our state. We are very for unfortunate people in our own land, in our own kingdom, in our own dynasty, our own royal family, present living history. Maharaj Pradip Kishore is compelled to seek justice, to seek solution under the Constitution of India. We are not against Constitution of India. We are not against Indian government. We are not against Tripura government. Our demand, our voice is for our survival. Our demand is within the jurisdiction of Indian Constitution, Article 2 and 3. We are not terrorists. We are not communal. We love India. We want to live with India. But we want to live with identity. We want to live with status. We want to live with respect. There's a big question about people. As a human being, as an Indian citizen, we want to live as an Indian people. As a first-class citizen. We respect India. We respect Constitution of India. That is what our demand. Our demand is justified. Our demand is legal. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India. I appeal my humble submission to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ji to understand our pain, to realize our history, to recognize our people, so that we can live peacefully, we can live with peace, tranquility with Indian people. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India to understand our feeling, to accept our demand, to listen our cry. Therefore, my request to the people of country, my request that in Delhi people, the good leaders of our India people should realize, should understand what is the pain and agony of the indigenous people of Tripura. Bani bagai tini, ang balai ke tong jokha, senagar sano tini sikla rok, tini buri rok, tini buma busa aku buku rok. Balai kos mabai kha. Dorong sai mano corona virus ni bagai. Onek ain kanun tongo jago. Andi kemang ma phun khai kha. Dilna officer rok ai biro phun khai kha. Dilo kemang ma ain kanun tongo. Kumaru refun tongo. Dobong tas baidi. Kita puno koi kha. Sempurna violent khaya. We are peace loving people. We are simple people. We are poor people. We come away from 5,000 away from Delhi. Boleh bagai, anggo boleh sanai. Sejauh mana? Bakal baksa kelai gay. Sejauh sahabat cak kakak dakho khamjang lai gay. Buci lai gay. Sejauh dua jenis khana botang macam ni. Khana tu sejauh ham ke khai nai. Sejauh tu final ya kebang ma. Lenggar baca mai masa ya semai mote. Khana sejauh tu borok kebang khai gay. Khana sejauh khai lai nai. Okok sai nang hai nai jot tu nano. Ani pipe laya. Ani hamjang ma. Sebab itu bayar pari. Ani ko kagor paisnai. Betul hambai kuam baika.